Alright, so as I'm supposed to be resting at the minute, which involves no riding motorcycles or fixing motorcycles, I figured I'd get the first video done of does the bike actually go? Or does it just blow up? I mean, it obviously didn't blow up, as I'm doing this voicey bit at the beginning of the video, and if it blew up, I probably wouldn't be here.
Oh, wicked. That'd be a good idea, wouldn't it?
So my goal today isn't to rag it like fuck or anything like that. Like at the beginning here, I'm just making sure my clutch is set up, my brakes work and all of that. I've noticed my ABS light hasn't turned off, so my brakes are only kind of working. But I don't need ABS for riding around for a bit. I can fix it. It'll be something to do with the sense not pushed in enough. I'm out with Tom today. He's gonna follow behind me, and if anything goes wrong, he's gonna pull over and laugh at me. While I wait for Tom to sort his music out, I'll just go around this little block a bit. Make sure my steering works, ain't getting caught or anything like that. If you notice my gauge all the way on the right's just flashing, it's not connected. That's my oil temperature gauge. I don't really need it for this journey. As long as I can monitor the pressures to make sure everything's getting to where it should be, we'll be fine. And I think at this point, I haven't rode a motorbike for about 6 months. I think that's how long it took me to rebuild this in reality, without YouTube hours added on. Alright, so that's mission 1 complete. A bit of sex juice for the old bike. It's nice to have it filled up. Although, I wish I would have had some more petrol to get so I could have got to the Shell garage, but it is what it is. Now for mission 2, I'm going to nip to Wellingborough and go Morrison's, get some food. I know, right, I live an exciting life. And this is why I keep getting bad shoulders, because like the roads are so fucking shit. So there we have it. Quick ride from Northampton to Wellingborough, which I think is about 15 miles, around that. The only problem I had was the ABS. Everything else seemed to work fine. So from here, I'm going to go to my rent's house, go say hello to them, as I haven't seen them for a while. So I'll leave you here at Morrison's. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Sorry about the shit recording of my bike. It really was I really want to go out and ride this thing, like, now. So I just stuck a GoPro on my bike and hoped. If you've like watched the whole series and everything and got all the way to this point, thanks a lot for sticking with me. It's been awesome. It's been fun. But yeah, take care. Catch you in a bit.